Good morning, you guys. We are back on Kauai. We've been here for a little bit, but we actually got sick. So we ended up getting the test and we came back negative, which was really good. But yeah, we have just been kind of recovering, but we're all better now. I'm just gonna have some coffee and I'm gonna show you guys a what I eat in the day video. I'm gonna try to like video the recipes. I'm really bad at this, I realized, but I'm gonna try for you guys and hopefully it turns out. I'm just gonna do some easy recipes. We're gonna make some oatmeal flour pancakes today and we'll see how we go. For the pancake recipe, I used oat flour and I did this by blending 1.5 cups of oats in a blender. You can also just buy oat flour at the store if you don't have a blender. I smashed up 1 large banana and added that in. And then I added some hemp milk and I slowly kind of added it while mixing it around just to get all the clumps out. Then I added a flax egg and a little dash of apple cider vinegar. Because I used oat flour, it tends to suck up the moisture a lot, so I had to kind of keep adding a little bit of hemp milk just to make sure the batter didn't become too thick. And then, yeah, make those pancakes as best you can. I'm definitely not an expert in pancake making. I also made a peanut butter sauce out of maple syrup and peanut butter. Then I added some fresh fruit. I just had banana and strawberry, so I just added that. And then, of course, I added the maple syrup. Then I added the peanut butter sauce, and that was pretty much it. Whoa, somebody's liking the pancakes.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. You just missed the best bite. The first bite was really good. This one looked bad. One sausage on.
Big one.
Ooh.
Okay. Whoa, he's...
No, Mommy,
Oh, is that just yours?
Okay.
Can I have some?
yes.
Okay.
I eat some. Mmm. Dada.
For lunch, I was feeling something light, so I just wanted to make a green smoothie using fresh orange juice, a frozen banana, some frozen pineapple, and some frozen strawberries. I also put some spinach and spirulina in it, and this smoothie booster, which has B12, omega, and some vitamin D. I also put some avo, just for some extra creaminess. And my blender breaks. It's definitely not the prettiest color, but I swear it tastes really good. Come on, Baba. Try, yummy, yummy.
No, I like it.
Just try one sip, please.
No, I like
That's the reality. Okay, so it's evening time and I'm in Jack's shirt. I don't know if I'm the only girl that does this, but I live in Jack's shirt / steal his shirts. They're just like, I don't know. They're pretty much just like a dress on me. We are gonna make tacos tonight and I just wanted to show you guys, just since tacos are so easy, I'm just gonna show you guys the part of the recipe that I think is kind of cool because we've been making this like popcorn / it's like a popcorn tofu, or you could call it like a chicken tofu because it kind of has that flavoring. But yeah, Jack actually made this up, even though he like laughs because it's like super simple, but it's really good and it's really good in your tacos. So I'm gonna show you guys that. And yeah, let's get to this. For this tofu recipe, I used super firm tofu and I went ahead and put some olive oil in a pan. You're gonna end up kind of frying the tofu to get a little crispy outside. Cube the tofu in desired size and then just throw it on the pan while the oil is hot. Then you want to salt it, or I use spike this time. And you also want to put a lot of nutritional yeast that adds that cheesy flavor. You're gonna do this twice, so you're gonna let this cook and you kind of mix it around, and then when it's almost done, you're gonna do that again. You're gonna put some more nutritional yeast and some more salt. That way it really gets that flavor on there, and you kind of just cook it until it's a little bit crispy. Finished, and this is the popcorn slash chicken tofu, and it's like kind of like crunchy. I think tacos are so fun. You can really dress them however you want, and you can add a lot of veggies, or if you're feeling a little bit more naughty that day, just pack on whatever you want. I also made some veggies and some sweet potato, and then of course I made some guacamole. You have to have guacamole with your tacos, and I also made a cashew cilantro sauce out of soaked cashews, water, cilantro, salt, and some garlic. We make tacos pretty much once or twice a week, and they never disappoint, and we will never get sick of them. We're gonna enjoy our tacos. We'll probably have like, oh, look who came in for dinner.
I smelled dinner, so I decided to show up.
Try my taco that doesn't look that good anymore.
Really? Looks awesome.
I showed him how to make your popcorn chicken tofu.
Popcorn chicken tofu? Mm-hmm. You just mean popcorn tofu? Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah, I made a sauce. I'm not even gonna show you guys what the kitchen looks like because I destroyed it. It's a mess. I'll give you a super fast glance. Super fast. Boom. That's all you get. Boom. Okay. We're gonna enjoy these. But yeah, thanks for watching. Yes, I have a true gem in my eye. I'm not stoned. And I'll see you guys next time.